2004 Buick Park Avenue with a 3.8 V6. Usually with the 3.8s are slightly similar, that use the plastic elbows, like what is stuck inside there and sort of in there. And then you have one there. You don't have to do a bunch of stuff to get to it. You just disconnect the connector for the alternator, and then you're at 10 millimeters to disconnect the battery and the bolt on the back of the alternator. And then I believe these are 15 millimeter. Let me check here real quick just to confirm. And you got three. So you got the main one right there, and you got one right at the bottom, and then on the outside right there. So try to keep the camera so you can see where they are. And then you have a 10 millimeter bolt right here. So it'd be that one for here. That is on the alternator bracket. And then you just kind of move it. Just make sure not to bend stuff or laying on anything that's brittle. But that's the easy way to get to the elbows, get them replaced if you're getting coolant above the water pump. But if you have it out, the water pump is very easy to get to. Of course, you gotta take the serpentine belt off, and that is also, I believe, 15. So just take the belt off and all this other stuff falls off easy. So hopefully this helps to the next person that needs to replace the elbows for a coolant leak, or if you want to do a water pump, you don't have to take this off for the water pump, because this is pretty much wide open in my opinion. So hope this helps.